GoDaddy has the perfect hosting plan for any website, from low-cost shared hosting to your own virtual server. Every plan comes with a 99.9% uptime guarantee, along with a free domain name and award-winning support. No wonder we're the world's #1 web host. Unlock your online potential today with GoDaddy. What if every window could tell a story? What if every chat...
Hello everyone! Let me know kung maliwanag or malabo ang aking sound check. Sound check. Okay, adjust ko lang. Sound check. Pakisabi kung naririnig niyo ako loud and clear. Ayan, bumabagsak. Sound check. Sound check. Loud and clear po ba tayo? Hello! Ayan! Good evening! Good evening! Okay, so let me know kung naririnig po ako ng malinaw. Maliwanag po ba tayo ngayong gabi? Okay, hello. Kung nandiyan na kayo, pakisabi naman kung saan kayo nanonood. Ayan. Where are you watching from? Okay? And let me know kung maliwanag tayo ngayong gabi. Ayun, naririnig ko na yung sarili ko. Okay. Ayan. Good evening, magandang gabi sa lahat. Okay, so I'm glad na clear naman po ang ating boses. Okay, so greet muna tayo. Alright, so of course, this is Coach J of Keto Baking with Coach J. And let me know saan kayo nanonood o taga saan kayo. Ayan. Okay, let me know taga saan kayo. Okay, so of course me, I'm here at Parañaque City. Wow, from Bacoor, si Lynn. Hello. Okay, so I hope ay mabasa ko ang lahat ng inyong mga comments. Alright, so Lynn from Bacoor, hello. Ayun. Watching from City of San Jose del Monte, si Nika. Ayun. Bulacan. San Juan City, si Love Atego. Hello. Good evening. Familiar names. And of course, iba po ay students natin. San Juan City, si Love. Gloria Mascardo from Caloocan. Hello, hello, hello. Ayun. Ayan. So, meron na tayong mga few audience for tonight, no? Sa ating baking demo and we'll start, 8 o'clock na. We'll start exactly at 8 o'clock. Okay, welcome everyone to our free online low-carb baking demo. Ayan. So, solo flight po ako tonight. So, kung medyo may problema sa ating sound, let me know. Kung medyo, syempre live tayo, let me know kung malabo. Total, napapanood ko naman at nababasa hi, Miss Arlene from Davao City, ang ating coffee shop owner. Ayun. Teka, meron pa tayo from Compostela, Cebu, si Shelo Oblianda. Lynette from Cebu. Marami pala tayong mga taga Cebu and Visayas and Mindanao. Maayong gabi, tama ba sa inyong lahat? Okay, from Imo, si Marie Chris. Bulacan, si Angeline. Wow! At my subscribers badge. So thank you. I appreciate no, yung ating mga subscribers, yung ating mga page subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing. I hope na marami tayong natutunan ng mga premium recipe sa ating subscribers hub. O, diba? Kitang-kita ko mga subscribers badge ninyo. Thank you naman. Santa Maria, Bulacan, si Angeline, Marie Chris from Cavite, Las Piñas, si Miles, Cagayan de Oro, si Will, okay. Erwin Leo from Zambales, Violi from Cebu also. Oh, nako. Salamat, no? Thank you very much. Ayan, so we have all over the Philippines na pala, no? Gandang gabi. Yan, gandang buhay from Leyte, Bingbing. Okay. God bless you din po. Okay, so again, thank you for joining us tonight. And of course, meron din tayong mga pampasaya na contest for tonight. Abangan ninyo ang mechanics maya-maya. But of course, bago ang lahat. Okay, of course, talagang kinonduct natin itong live baking demo to, of course, promote also my very first published book as a book author. Thank you very much, no? And this is Low Carb Baking 101 with Coach Che. And this is the very first low carb baking book in the country today. O, palakpakan! Yay! Alright, so alam ko na yung iba po sa inyo ay nag-avail na ito, yung abroad e-book, dahil meron po tayong e-book, downloadable file. Yung iba naman po, of course, through Little Retail PH. Siya po ang ating exclusive distributor dito sa Pilipinas. Little Retail PH sa kanyang TikTok shop, Lazada shop, and Shopee. Ayan. So, ito po yung ating book. Okay. So, of course, book 1 pa lang ito. We have breads, low carb breads, lahat po low carb, and beverages, and bonus recipes. So, ayan. So, yung mga nag-avail na nito, taas ang kamay ng mga nakapag-avail na ng ating low carb book. But of course, for tonight, mamimigay din po ako nito. O, diba? Kung meron ka na, okay lang. Bigay mo as gift, no? Na talagang na pwede mo pang regalo sa iyong mga mahal sa buhay para matuto rin sila mag-bake ng low carb. O, diba? So, mamimigay tayo. So, magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga bumate at babalikan ko po yung inyong mga greetings dahil hindi ko naman po kayang isa-isahin lahat ng inyong mga greetings for tonight. Anyway, greet lang po kayo, and if you already have the book, taas din ang kamay, wave din, para ma-acknowledge naman natin sino-sino na yung may book. But of course, kasali pa rin kayo sa contest natin tonight. Okay? Very simple lang po yung contest natin tonight. Okay, gaya ng dati. Okay, so gaya ng dati, ihanda mo lang ang iyong extra gadget. Okay? Dahil pag sinabi kong take a selfie, ay, ayan na. Okay, so mamimigay tayo ng mga 3 to 5, I don't know. Depende kung ilan na sasali kasi i-raffle out natin ito. Anyway, sabihin ko na yung mechanics kasi mabilis lang yung ating demo for tonight. Alright? So, ang ating mechanics for tonight, take a selfie, no? With you, with yourself, no? Na habang paghawak ko ang librong ito ay magsa-selfie ka at kitang-kita sa picture ang yung selfie, ako at ang libro. Okay? And then, of course, send it to Keto Baking with Coach J. Keto Baking with Coach J, inbox. Okay? Or kung FB friend mo ako, inbox mo rin sa akin. And yung mga selfies na yan po ay ira-raffle out po natin yan. Alright? Again, take a selfie tuwing hawak ko ang librong ito. Of course, ang background mo is yung you're watching this live demo tonight. Alright? So again, welcome everyone. Okay, so for tonight, very simple lang po yung ating demo. And kung na-miss out mo yung simula, pwede mo pa namang i-rewind, diba? Pwede mo pa rin namang panoorin ulit. Okay, so sabi ko, mamimili ako ng recipe from this book. Okay, and actually, ni-revise din natin ng konti. Kaya new recipe, no? Dahil ni-revise ko po ito. Itong isi-share ko sa inyo tonight. Okay, excited na kayo? Alright, so, okay, very simple lang at mabilis lang po natin itong pwedeng gawin for tonight. Okay. So, yung ating, asa na yun? Okay, hanapin ko lang yung aking page. Ayun. Okay, so, I'm gonna share with you yung ating recipe on cheesy ensaymada. But this time, I have a few revisions even do sa measurement ng ating ingredients. Okay? So again, take a selfie with me and the book and magiging raffle entry yan as many as you can. Kailangan iba't ibang angulo ha. Hindi isang angulo lang 1,000 pictures. Okay? So I'm gonna use cheesy ensaymada recipe for this one. Alright? So basically, doon sa mga meron na ng libro at kung wala pa, don't worry. Later, after this broadcast, itong bagong recipe na ito, may recipe card po ito at automatic po ito na mapopost dito sa comment section. Okay? So don't worry. Again, Keto Baking with Coach Shea, I'm gonna share with you from my cheese ensaymada recipe from the book. There will be a few revisions to create this all-new ube cheesy ensaymada. Alright? So now this is low carb, this is gluten-free. Okay, so because this is gluten-free and this is low carb, iba't iba yung properties ng ating mga ingredients. That's why it's very important as a newbie na follow mo muna yung ingredients measurement as it is. So for tonight, don't worry, the recipe card will be posted later on. Of course, we're gonna need 4 large eggs, same do sa book natin, and then we're gonna need yogurt. Ayan. So, I use yogurt a lot, and this one is our DIY yogurt. It makes the product or the baked item more flavorful instead of whipping cream, instead of heavy cream. So, we're gonna use yogurt, alright? And then, we're gonna use sugar blend, okay? I always use sugar blend, so you can use erythritol monk fruit blend, erythritol allulose blend, which is granulated. Okay, so I'm going to use this. And then I'm going to use coconut flour as well. So we're going to have 4 large eggs separated, yogurt 40 grams, erythritol sugar blend will be 1/4 cup, and coconut flour will be 1/4 cup. And since this is an ube cheesy ensaymada, I already gave this as a free recipe at nasa book din natin, we will be needing your DIY sugar-free ube halaya for this recipe. Now, the reason that we're separating the eggs, so separated na po ang ating eggs, egg whites, okay, is to make a softer muffin. Okay, remember, this type of ensaymada is more of a muffin type, soft muffin type, cake type. It's not your bakery ensaymada na brioche type na bready. Okay, so this is more of a soft type of ensaymada. Okay, so 4 eggs separated. Alright, so we have the egg yolks. So for 4 eggs to, sineparate na natin to earlier. And everything must be on room temperature. And then, egg yolks. Alright? So basically, we need 4 eggs separated for this recipe. And of course, bago ko po makalimutan, katabi ko lang naman at mamaya ay papakita na lang natin sa video, ay katabi ko lang naman siya. Ay, ipe-preheat lang po natin ang oven. So, dito lang tayo. Hold on. Alright? So, basically, okay, at this point, ay nilagay lang natin with 2 separate bowls yung ating egg yolks at yung ating egg whites. Okay. So, of course, mamaya na natin i-beat yung ating egg whites. At this point, okay, we're gonna pull in together muna all our wet ingredients. Okay, so including your yogurt. Okay, so yan lang, very simple lang. No, yung ating wet ingredients dito ay napakakonti lang. No, kung mapapansin ninyo, ay napakakonti lang nila. Okay? So, pag sama-samahin muna natin, eggs and yogurt lang. Okay, so yan. Very konti. Okay, so, tingnan natin kung ilang cupcakes ang magagawa natin from our cheesy ensaymada recipe. Okay? And then, okay. Now, we're gonna beat the egg whites. Ayan. Okay, so, we're gonna beat the egg whites muna. Now, separating the egg yolks with the egg whites, no, and creating a meringue will help you create a fluffier cupcake or muffin. Okay? So, we're gonna beat this until foamy. Okay? Kung medyo foamy na siya, then, let's add our sugar substitute slowly. Okay, so, ayan. Okay, ubusin natin ang ating sweetener. Sayang. I'm using erythritol monk fruit blend. Okay? So we're live tonight making this ube, cheesy, ensaymada, low carb and sugar free. So kung hindi mo makita ang ating libro sa Shopee right now, wala po yata siya ngayon. Little Retail PH, Lazada Shop, and TikTok. Okay, so make sure lang po na medyo mag-stiff peaks na ito. Ayan. Sabi ni Connie, sana mapili. Ay, okay. Hello. Sa mga bagong login, let me know taga saan kayo para alam natin saan nanggagaling ang mga viewers natin for tonight. Hello. Okay. So, ayaw mo namang ma-over ito. Okay, so medyo konti pa. Alright, so hindi naman super stiff peaks ang kailangan mo for this one. Okay? So, at this time, okay, kukuha tayo ng konting egg whites and then ilagay natin or i-fold in natin ng konti dito sa ating egg yolks. Okay? Okay, so since na-fold in na natin siya ng konti, this is the time that you whisk in your coconut flour. Okay, so normally, kahit na fine coconut flour na yung gamit natin, it will still be best to whisk them, no? Sift them, I mean, no? And then, unti-unti natin siyang ilagay sa ating egg yolk mixture. This one has already the yogurt. Alright? Okay, and then this time, let's again put in, so if we are working with meringue, okay, we should work faster. Okay, para hindi deflate. And ang maganda nito, okay, ay magiging fluffier and lighter. Ayan, no? Diba? So more, this is the last one. So this is from 4 eggs yung recipe natin. So, very simple yung ingredients, no? Hindi na masyadong komplikado to. Okay. This is the last one. So, hindi mo kailangan masyadong muscle dito. Okay. And the last is fold them through spatula. Okay? So, as you can see, this is already your cheesy ensaymada. Okay. So, eto siya. Normally, tinitikman ko po. So, ayaw natin mag-deflate agad. Now, we're gonna put it on muffin cups. Masarap siya. Nalalasan ko si yogurt. Pero masarap. Okay. Normally, I recommend a foil tin cupcake liner, foil liner, para hindi lumiit, no, or mag-shrink, or masyadong magbumaba, kasi this is made of meringue, alright? So this is what I recommend, or even the smaller one, a foil type. Pero of course, that's your option. Okay? So, lalagay muna natin siya dito sa mga liners natin. Okay, so normally mas maganda ay damihan natin. Okay, so you can use also a cup, yung measuring cup, para mas mabilis. Ayan. Mas gusto ko mas mataas. Okay? So, mas mataas, better. Kasi, bababa pa yan talaga. Totoo yan. Kasi, this is made of, merang base po kasi siya. Okay? So, kuha lang po tayo ng mas malaking, pang sandok. Okay, hold on. Alright? So, ayan. So, hindi ko to measured kasi hindi ko naman to, kumbaga, ayan na siya. Almost, this is I'm using a 1/2 cup measuring cup. Okay? Basta sa akin, puno. Okay siya. So, tingnan natin. Siguro mga 6 or 8. I'm not sure ilan ang magagawa. Gandang gabi, gandang buhay. Ayun, ang ganda naman ng bate ni Bingbing. Ayan. So, let me know where you are watching from tonight. Ayun. So, I think it's best mga 6 muffins kasi malalaki tong aking lagayan. Okay? So, 6 will be nice. Yeah. Oh, may extra pa. Good evening, good evening. Doon sa mga bagong pasok lang ngayon, we're doing our low-carb, sugar-free, ube cheese, muffins, or ensaymada pala. Okay, ube cheese ensaymada from our baking book tonight. Okay. So, ayan. We're just working fast kasi para hindi agad mag-deflate. Oh. Okay, lagay natin. Yun. You can also use a piping bag or frosting bag if you like, no? Para hindi masyadong messy tulad ko. Alright, now, at this point, since this is ube cheese ensaymada, okay, ano lang natin ng konti. Okay, I'm gonna use our ube halaya, DIY ube halaya na masarap. Okay, so, at least a tablespoon per muffin. Nasa sayo na yan kung gaano karami. We can swirl it in, no? I think half a tablespoon will do. Alright. Ayan, amoy na amoy ko ang ube. Masarap siya. Nag-toothbrush na ako. Kumain ulit. Get a knife or any tool para pwede mo siyang swirl. Okay. Yun. And they are ready for the oven. Okay. So again, this is a recipe found in our Low Carb Baking 101 book with Coach Jay. And if you want to win a book like this, take a selfie now. Take a selfie now with me holding this book and send it to our Keto Baking with Coach Jay Facebook page inbox. Inbox us and send us a selfie. And we will raffle out 3 winners for tonight. Okay, so send me a selfie of me and you holding this book tonight. Alright? So, there you have it. I need to put it in the oven na po kasi baka mag-deflate. Okay? But don't you worry. Meron na po tayong baked, ready baked nito. Okay? So, our oven must be at 170 degrees. So, medyo lumampas ng konti. Okay? And mabilis lang po to. Siguro mga 12 minutes only. Okay? Alright? Pero may ready-made na to at papakita ko na sa inyo. Kasi syempre, pag mainit pa, hindi natin maa-assemble agad. 12 minutes. Let's try it out. Again, it really depends on your oven kasi iba-iba rin ang performance ng oven natin. So you can start with 10 minutes. Okay? Okay? So, mabilis lang ang baking natin. Now, I'm just gonna get the ready-made, what do you mean? I'm just gonna get the ready-made product. Okay, sandali lang. Sandali lang po. Okay, alam ko naririnig nyo ang aking ingay. Kinukuha ko lang ang ating ready-made na product. Okay, so, eto na. Okay, so, anyway, habang hinihintay natin ang ating binibake, of course, mabilis lang po tayo tonight. And I'm gonna show you this one. Up. Okay, again, good evening everyone. And nakasalang na po ang ating cheesy ensaymada, which we made as ube ensaymada. And from the book, I revised a few ingredients. And I will be posting the recipe card after this broadcast. Naka-ready na po yan. Okay, hiningal ako, kinuha ko lang to. Okay? So, just to share with you how you can assemble this. Actually, okay, eto na siya. Malamig na po siya, chilled na po ito siya. Chilled na siya, nagawa ko na po ito the other day. Okay, so, tingnan lang po natin. Alright? So, basically, ayun. Siyempre, masarap to kainin pag malamig na, diba? Okay? Now, there are a few ways of assembling it. Once na nag-cool down na ito, alright? Okay, hinaan ko lang yung aking pinapakinggan. Okay, once na nag-cool down na ito, then, you can simply add your shredded cheddar cheese. Pero may other ways of doing this also. Before adding the cheese, which I always do, and I'm gonna do it the next time, is you add first buttercream. You can also make it very special by adding cream cheese buttercream, cream cheese frosting. And then you add the cheese. Pero at this point, this one is very simple and yet, sabi ng mga clients ko, masarap. Okay? It's the muffin itself and then grated cheese na agad. Pero, mas masarap pa siya kung meron pa siyang buttercream. Okay? So, this is the one. Okay? Ayan. So, maganda talaga using this foil. And then, you know, look at the texture. Okay? So, dahil binago natin yung recipe na to, for this particular recipe, okay, tingnan natin. Because this one has yogurt na. Instead of whipping cream, I'm using yogurt. Harap. Okay? Lasang-lasa rin yung ating ube halaya for this one. Marites Kusi. Aha. Bumili ka nito Kumusta naman? Thank you, thank you. Okay, so bago ko pa ito maubos. Again, if you wanna win the book for tonight, take a selfie and send this to me so that we can raffle out at least 3 winners for tonight. And I am also raffling out at least 2 winners of our online classes of Keto Baking with Coach Jay. Ayan. Okay, tanggalin muna natin to. Online classes of Keto Baking with Coach Jay. Okay, so 5 winners for tonight. 2 online classes and 3 printed copy of this book. Again, selfie with me holding this book. Okay. So, thank you very much. Hintay lang natin matapos yung ating binibake. Pero basically, that's it. Okay, may tanong po ba tungkol sa recipe? Okay, saan daw isa-send ang selfie? Again, dito po sa page natin, Keto Baking with Coach Jay. I-inbox nyo lang po yung page natin. Okay, nakikita ko marami na nagsasend. Okay, wag nang pahuhuli. At i-enjoy muna natin to. Okay. Ayan, ang sarap. Ubus ko na. Nag-dinner na ako Saan ka pa? No? Sugar-free na, low carb pa, healthy pa, masarap pa. Gusto nyo? Okay. Send nyo lang po dito mismo sa page. Keto Baking with Coach Jay. Alright? At sasagot po tayo dyan. Okay, so, ngayon, habang hinihintay po natin, inom muna tayong tubig. Diba? Ano daw yung liners na ginagamit? Okay, yung mga tools, isa-send ko rin po yung link, but basically, this is a foil type of tulip liner. Ayun. Foil type of tulip liner. Okay. Air fryer, tanong ni Erwin. I haven't tried yet, Erwin. So, you can try and then you let me know. Although may air fry tayo, but I haven't tried yet. No, baking meringue-based cakes sa air fryer. Breads, pwede. Okay? Oh, excited na si Marie Chris, no? Sana manalo ka nga. Meron ka na ng book Okay, book or online classing na natin. Okay? Now, of course, dito nyo isa-send sa Keto Baking with Coach Jay Facebook page. Okay? And of course, I want to take this time to invite you all. Okay, we both have new online classes, not free menu, and the tiramisu class. I'm telling you, the tiramisu cakes talagang sold out palagi sa shop namin. So, gawa ka na. You will never know na kapag yan din ay binenta mo, ay magbibigay din sa'yo ng pangkabuhayan, di ba? You'll never know So, we have the tiramisu class, which I'm doing good as a shop, and I'm so happy. So, yun na, yung kung ano yung menu natin sa shop namin, sinishare ko na sa inyo, ano pa ba, diba? So, online class has pre-recorded videos and, of course, downloadable modules. No? So, join ka lang ng online class. Of course, tignan mo lang sa Keto Baking with Coach Jay Facebook page. So, we have more than 10 online classes already available. Kahit yung mga dati pa, no, hindi naman sobrang luma, they're already revised recipes. You can really get a lot out of it. Kung talagang gusto mo maging seryoso na matuto ng low carb and sugar-free baking. Ayan. Doon sa mga hindi po nakakilala sa akin, 2019 pa po naka-keto diet na po ako. So, itong binibake ko, kinakain ko, no? Walk the talk tayo. Kaya, ibig sabihin, yan din po yung nire-represent ko. Nasa low carb po ako na practitioner. So meaning, yung binibake natin, yan din yung ating kinakain at yan din yung ating binibenta at ninenegosyo. Okay? So, the recipes, they're all good. Of course, I'm not naman a perfect baker, but then I'm telling you, I've experimented and tested, and I have existing customers din po na kumakain ng ating mga binibake na tinuturo sa ating mga classes. Alright? So I'm also inviting you. This November, we also have face-to-face classes. November 9 at Antipolo City. November 16 here at Parañaque City. Don't miss that out, no? Kasi, masaya at mag-enjoy din tayo. And of course, face-to-face is good also because I could share with you practical tips na mga natutunan ko based on experience since 2019 sa low-carb baking. Ayan. So, focus po tayo sa low-carb or keto baking. Para naman po doon sa mga iba na never pa na-try, you can try po. Doon naman po sa iba, okay, of course, I'm inviting you sa online baking classes, paid classes. Meron din po tayo na face-to-face. I hope na ma-meet ko kayo. And meron din naman mga free recipes. So, ganun din naman, no? You can just check my YouTube channel, Keto Goodies PH, and dito rin po sa page na to, Keto Baking with Coach Shay, we have also free recipes posted. So, you can check it out kung ano po yung mga videos natin. Similar po yan sa mga online classes natin na format. Okay? So, again, please, share it with your friends, invite them, bring a friend din sa ating mga face-to-face classes and even on our online baking classes. Ayan, okay. So, I'm so happy dahil, ayan, pwede kayong manalo dito. Take a selfie with me holding this book and we just shared with you yung ating recipe on cheesy ensaymada na may a bit of revision para maging espesyal din at bago para sa ating lahat ngayon ng ating ube cheesy ensaymada. Okay, so double check lang natin yung ating binibake. At sabi dito ay 30 seconds to go. Pero syempre, hindi na natin i-assemble. Pinakita ko na sa inyo, once baked, pwede kayo maglagay ng buttercream or cream cheese frosting before the cheese. Ito wala po. Simple lang. From the muffin, nilagyan na natin kagad ng shredded cheese. At masarap po siya. Actually, hindi ko na siya kayang ubusin. Okay, so, masarap po. And of course, I'm inviting you also to, may available copies po tayo nito sa Little Retail PH, TikTok Shop, may mga promos and discounts. Ganon din po sa Lazada Shop at the moment. And pwede mo ring ipangregalo. No? I have a former student, 4 agad yung binili niya. Mukhang talagang pangregalo na niya talaga. Lalong-lalo na ngayong Pasko. Low carb baking. And this is locally, tailor-fitted locally, na meaning lahat ng mga ingredients na nandito is found here in the Philippines. But, of course, lalo na sa abroad, maraming ingredients available. Ayan, tumutulog na, baka masunog. Check lang po natin. Okay, so hindi ko na po ma-move ang camera natin. But this is, at my oven, 180 degrees Celsius, exactly 12 minutes. And they are good. Alright, we'll show you. Of course, pag bagong bake po ang mga merang base, syempre lumulobo pa yan, pero liliit din po siya maya-maya. Okay? So, ayan na po siya. Yan na. Actually, cake tester rin. Pwede mo yung i-cake tester. Hindi ko na cake tester. Pero alam ko luto na siya. Okay. So, luto na siya. Okay, so, lagyan ko pa ng konting 2 minutes. Medyo may pang konti. Jiggly pa rin, pero gusto ko mas stable pa siya ng konti. So, ayan. Dahil bumaba yung heat kanina. Okay. Ayan, gabing-gabi na, nagbe-bake pa tayo ngayon. Masaya. Okay, so konti na lang at matatapos na siya. Magiging stable na siya. Alright. Okay, so tingnan muna natin yung mga nag-greet. Okay. Naku, may 26 new comments na tayo. So, dahil medyo jiggly pa at may konting sumama pa, no, sa ating cake tester. Kaya, nagdagdag pa tayo ng mga 2 minutes. Ayan. So, cake tester. O pwede rin toothpick, kaya lang mas madali ito. Okay? So, yun. Again, secure by book. Kailangan maganda ako sa selfie nyo, Ganun eh. Joke lang. Okay. So, may mga, wow, from Batangas, Bacoor, okay, Antipolo City, Norma Pasco. Naku, Antipolo pala si Norma. Join ka na sa aking baking class. November 9 sa Antipolo, Norma. Okay, yung iba nga taga Cebu lalayo, no? Pero thank you. Good evening. Marulas, Valenzuela, si Jojo. Okay. Oriental Mindoro, Laguna, Bacoor, Caloocan. Okay. Ayan. So, marami na. Okay. Sige, kung may nakapag-try na sa inyo sa air fryer, balitaan nyo ako. I haven't kasi baked, meringue-based recipes in an air fryer. So, may mga nagtatanong. Okay. Anyway, ilang minuto na lang, pero matatapos na. Okay, di ba? Ang bilis ang demo natin. Ayan. O, diba? Talagang lang tayo, bahay lang tayo. Anyway, it has been a long day. Okay, actually, I always wake up early and I sleep early. Ayun. Okay, kala ko na to. Okay, nag-time na. Okay, hold on. Ayan, I think okay na to kasi medyo nag-brownish na siya. No? Siyempre, alam mo naman meron pag nagba-brown na, di ba? O, Yun, wala na. Okay, so lilit pa to ng konti. Babagsak pa talaga to. Kaya maganda talaga, pag in-scoop nyo sa muffin liners nyo, mataas, kasi nga merang base to. Babagsak pa to ng konti, maya-maya. Alright? So basically, ganito yung muffin liners na gamit natin. At maraming colors to, no? And then, of course, masarap siya. You can put buttercream, no, na bagay sa ube, no? And, ayan. And soft and fluffy siya. So, ito yung low carb pastry na hindi siya dense, no? Hindi siya mabigat. And, may mga iba't ibang mga techniques, no, na tinuturo tayo ngayon sa ating mga classes para talagang ma-appreciate kahit ng mga hindi naglo-low carb. Ayun. Hi, Agnes! Okay, so, rewind na lang kung hindi nyo napanood ang buong demo ko. Diba? Bilis ko kasi mag-demo eh. Okay? Ayun, sabi ni Norma, try niya i-arrange yung schedule. Oo nga, Norma! Saan ka ba sa Antipolo? Actually, taga-Antipolo ko. Okay, so I hope to see you. No, message lang dito sa page natin. Ayun, sabi ni Love na gutom tuloy daw siya. Ako nga tapos na mag-dinner. So as I was saying, I wake up early and then I sleep early also. So medyo effort, diba? Kasi of course, we're running our shop. We're also in Grab Food. If you are in Parañaque or near us, you can check out our low-carb baked goodies and you can order directly through Grab Food, Keto Goodies, PH, and Kitchen. Again, I want to invite you all to check out our online baking classes and our face-to-face classes through our website. Pwede rin po www.ketogoodiesph.com. And of course, get hold of our book. It's being it's being distributed to us through Little Retail PH. Alright? So basically pag nag-send na photo, send na agad, titingnan ko ang timestamp while watching this. Pero after, hindi na po natin maisasali yan sa raffle. Okay? Again, take a photo, take a selfie with me holding this para makasama ka sa raffle natin. I'm raffling out 3 books, printed copies of the books, and 2 online classes. But while watching this demo during this time. Okay? So, may timestamp po tayo. Hindi po after. Of course, this will be recorded na kasi after. Okay? So, dun po sa lahat ng mga nanood. Ayan. Okay, so tingnan natin. Lumampas ng a few minutes, no? Dahil I'm sure you will ask, gaano liliit yung muffin ba siya? Malaki pa rin ba siya? Kasi kanina lumobod, di ba? Normally, yung mga tanong nila palagi. So, baka mamaya, ang liit-liit na pala niya. Kaya nga, di ba, yung sa demo natin, tinaasan talaga natin. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ayan. Few minutes nagdadaldal na po tayo, pero mataas pa rin po siya. Okay, so medyo mainit pa. Pero, yun o, ayan na po siya. Okay, so very nice, diba? Very nice. And then, masarap na to pag mainit na. Pag ma-chill mo na at malamig na siya. So, stable na siya. And soft. Yun ang masarap sa muffins, diba? Hindi nila may isip na, wow, low carb pala yan. Okay? So, very nice, diba? Yung ating ube, cheesy, and saimada. Okay? So, there you go. That's your ensaymada. Okay, so I hope that you get to try out also all our other recipes. Ayan. So, well, there you have it. Tapos na ang ating demo for today. Okay? Lower antipolo normal. Diba, nakipag-chika pa po ako. Lower antipolo. Okay, upper antipolo po tayo sa aming sarili pong kitchen. Sa upper antipolo, November 9. And then November 16, yung workshop po natin dito. This is limited to 5 to 7 students only because this is full hands-on, face-to-face. Okay, so you will bake from start to finish. Ayan. How low? Low how much ba? Yun na, how to avail for free. Pag i-raffle out po namin yung mga selfies ninyo, syempre, pipili po kami ng 3 winners of the printed copies of Low Carb Baking 101 with Coach J, and then 2 winners of our online classes. Okay? So, make sure na padala nyo na yan habang naka-live pa ako. Hindi po yung pagkatapos ng live na ito. So, may timestamp po yan pag nagpadala po tayo. Keto Baking with Coach J. Again, I just want to extend my gratitude to all our brand partners, no? Meaning, we collaborate, no? And we exchange with one another. Thank you so much to Little Retail PH, no? Siya po yung ating distributor of our low-carb baking book, Baking 101 with Coach J, the first low-carb baking book in the country. Thank you, Little Retail PH. Find this in Lazada and in TikTok. Of course, thank you also sa ating mga low-carb ingredient suppliers. Aside from Little Retail PH, we also buy from them. We also buy from Low Carb Perfect Match Selections. Ayan. Thank you so much, Low Carb Perfect Match Selections, and happy anniversary to you. And also, Keto Cucina PH for our sugar-free sauces and chocolates. Thank you so much, Keto Cucina PH. Ayan. So, these are the brands that we've been working with, no, for several years already. Okay? So, thank you everyone also for watching tonight. I hope na may natutunan kayo. And please, please, send me a photo kung na-bake nyo ito at nagawa nyo na ito. Send us a photo. You can inbox us at Keto Baking with Coach J, or you can join our Facebook community for free, no? Low Carb Bakers PH, recipes by Coach J. Alright? So again, thank you for watching, and subaybay lang po, and hopefully see you in our future classes, workshops, or baking demos. Thank you everyone, at kung di ko po nabati lahat ay babatiin ko na lang soon. And as mentioned, I will post the recipe card here. At nabanggit ko rin ang ingredients kanina. So, rewind na lang kayo, please. Okay? So, thank you very much. There you have it. Our ube, cheesy, and saimada. And I hope po na nag-enjoy po kayong lahat. Good evening. Okay? God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.